It's your no salad and chicks. I'm Sin.
And I'm Uno.
And guess what we're gonna make today?
Stuffed chicken marsala.
So good, so good. This is like one of the first things we like cooked together when we first met each other.
We Pinterested it up, and then this is the result.
It's kind of like Olive Gardens, but with our little twist to it.
You already know how it goes.
So we're going to
with the stuffing of the chicken.
So in here we have provolone cheese. We have 3/4 cup that I cut up.
2 cups of marsala. 2 cups of mozzarella. There you go.
Half a cup of parmesan.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. 3/4 sour cream.
Great.
It's like the whole tub, the small tub. This is the cutest little thing.
I love it.
How much is this? How do you look at the...
1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs.
And we love panko because it's a little crunchier.
And you guys know you can add and subtract just about whatever you want in this.
We like it cheesy, so...
Absolutely. I've made this with cream cheese before.
Ooh,
And sometimes you don't even have to add cheese, but you know.
And we made it with bacon before. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. 3 green onions.
Or chives.
True.
We have the biggest debate about
green onion versus chive.
Tomato,
I don't know.
tomato,
Yeah,
tomato.
I don't know the difference. That's a good question. We're supposed, instead of sun-dried tomatoes, we put roasted red peppers. Yum, because we like it a little spicy.
Alright, we're gonna put this in the thing. We're good today.
Fat off. It's already gonna be flavorful. We don't need all this extra fat. Where the thick side of the chicken breast is, and just cut a nice little slit in it, because that's where we're gonna stuff everything.
Just like that. This is kind of gross. I'm not sure that. Oh, they see us cutting it right here. We'll do 2 more.
Perfect. Whew, my hand's tired. Whew. That was a lot. You can put a little more elbow in there.
The flick of the wrist.
Okay.
I used a little bit.
Yeah, you straight.
Okay.
Salt and pepper it up.
So now, yeah, we'll salt and pepper it first, and then we'll bring the stuffing back out.
Okay.
You pepper, I'll salt.
Cool.
I wonder why.
Oh, no, I'm like mustard.
You
Not
like onion
salt.
powder.
Yeah, I'm
That's
onion
what she-
powder.
onion powder.
I love onion powder
Yes.
too. We'll flip it over. Give it nice season. It's all about seasoning along the way.
Salt and pepper to taste. Like we say, add and subtract as much as you want. If you like some extra in, put some extra in. Anyway.
We're the no salad and
Whatever
chicks,
that is.
so we season pretty nicely.
Okay, let me see this pepper. I like pepper.
I love pepper. I love pepper. Get a nice chunk in there.
Did you guys in culinary school? You have to use new ones every time?
Yeah, if you're touching raw
For
meat.
stuffing the stuff out when it bakes. So don't be scared of the stuffing.
Blow in it. Just get a new pair. Beautiful.
Here we go.
Put some toothpicks.
Just blow on it. That's what he said.
That's what he said.
I guess so. I'm sure he did.
Things
I
are
want
coming
to
out.
get-
Things are coming out. And it's just so good and fancy feeling when you make this. And the sauce is gonna be so good. We have mushrooms. And stuff. You guys will see this.
Mushroom and a knife. Fold it.
Ah! I'm a little strong. I underestimate my strength
You
sometimes.
just need to calm down. Type differently.
Huh?
Type differently.
Your ass. You see? Okay, perfect.
Okay, this is just going.
We just gonna have to hold it together, make it work. Messy.
Well, this isn't going. In a group.
It's gonna be real messy too. It's gonna be so good. Yeah, see why. And then make sure your oven's on at 350. These are some nice big chicken breasts. Wow, this one's beautiful. We didn't do this one. This one didn't even need any. I don't think it does.
Nice.
Okay. Perfect.
Probably should have made them flatter. We probably could have made them flatter, cut those up in half, and then folded them over.
I made small little ones.
Yep.
You're right. We'll do those with
They
those
probably
too.
will make them
Faster.
cook quicker.
Yeah.
There you go.
They'll cook in
Yeah,
the
that's
oven for like
beautiful.
20. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna go
Take a break.
sear 'em.
Yeah.
Slow
Right.
break. Not yet, actually.
Yeah, there's
Not
another
yet.
step to this. Perfection. Do you hear me?
Yeah, baby. Beautiful.
I'll be getting hyped when it looks like that. You got two real thin burgers.
Can you?
Here. No, I'm not. See how crazy
Like,
is.
oh, burn you with the hot iron. Oh, you're just so dramatic.
I didn't burn her though.
But did you die?
I don't want to get close ever.
Alrighty.
I know. I
This
don't
is a
either.
great frame, guys. All right, y'all. Here we go with the mashed potatoes.
Put that in the center, like that. You
Don't
pick a
Sin
nice-
is the best plating. I'm just going here to let her do her look.
Let her do it.
She's really
The
her
key to
element
plating
about
is you
it.
gotta put it all in the center. Like, oh my god, oh
What'd
my
you do?
phone died. Okay, whatever.
Back to this camera.
Ooh. Put it right on top like so. You never want the edges to be filled with food. Ever, ever.
Hold
Oh
on.
my gosh, that looks so good. The gravy's not thick. Let's eat it. Yeah, where's my fork? Let's eat it with a spoon. F it.
This one. All right, you guys.
Mmm, the chicken's so juicy.
We got our seals in there. Here we go.
Cheers. Mmm.
Man, fire. This is so good.
Wow, so good. The chicken is just so juicy and tender.
Mm-hmm.
That
Those cheese
cheese.
combinations are great.
Sorry, I'm all in your.
We're so hungry right
Gosh, my
now.
arm's getting a cramp from cutting that out.
Yeah, this is a real car pleaser right here.
Wow. Mmm. Mmm. And the sauce on top of the mashed potatoes just blends it all together. Well,
Oh, God.
if you want to impress, if you think you want to be on a more
Intermediate.
intermediate level,
She be trying, y'all. She be
I know that's a
trying.
hard word.
Mm-hmm.
Try it out and let us know what you think.
Tag us.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, y'all. This is just,
Yeah,
I can't.
you
Wait a minute.
can't go wrong with this. Like, wow. It was kind of easy. Just the prepping part was hard.
Yeah, that's really what takes a long time.
Mmm. Okay. We're gonna let Hams eat now. Love you guys. Follow us on all social media sites. Well,
You should be doing that already.
yeah. Oh my gosh. so
I just
good.
can't wait. We keep,
Mmm.
guys, this is so fire. You'll be so impressed and you'll be very proud of yourself.
Recipe down below.
Yes.
Check us out next time.
Join us on the next adventures of
No Salady and Chicks. Yeah, done. Do your thing, hand.